So we're just about to surprise this week's lucky BOTB Dream Car winner. His name is Brad Dahlberg. He's just won himself the brand new Volkswagen Golf GTI. He's won the TCR edition, so even lighter alloy wheels, it's lowered 20mm, it's got more power, it looks incredible. We've got just a standard GTI to surprise him with. Now, when he first played with us, he played going out of Dublin Airport, but we think he might now be out in Australia. So I've got his number on my phone. Let's give him a call and tell him the good news. Hi, is that Brad?
Yes, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you, Brad. How are you?
Oh, great, man. I'm just cooking dinner, actually, but that can wait.
So that can wait. Just for a few minutes, Brad. It'll be well worth it.
Yeah.
What are you cooking, though, just out of interest?
It's a bit of halloumi, chicken, and a bit of couscous.
Lovely. Sounds great. I would say we'd pop over, and we would have done, but we think you might be out in Australia. Is that where you are?
Yes, that's right, unfortunately.
Okay, and whereabouts in Australia?
Adelaide.
Okay, weather good?
Oh, it's pretty chilly over here at the moment, yeah.
Okay, well, it's literally just stopped raining here. I'm glad it has stopped raining, because I've got something to show you, Brad.
Oh, please show me.
Okay, all right. You played for a few different cars last week.
I did, yes.
All right.
Yes.
Well, what you've won is right in front of me. So if I do this, are you ready?
I am.
Okay, Brad, I'm pleased to say you're this week's winner, and you have won a brand new Volkswagen Golf GTI. Now, you've won the TCR edition, so it is a little bit cooler than this one. It's got the cool graphics down the side, it's got lightweight alloy wheels, it's also lowered 20mm as well, it's got more power. So we've got just a GTI to show you today, but it still looks stunning. I love the front of these cars.
Oh, looks amazing.
So let's jump in. Say that again.
I can't believe it, actually, mate. This is a dream come true.
So yours is also the DSG version as well, which is the automatic gearbox, and it's such an amazing gear shift in these. It's so good, and you've got the flappy paddles as well on the back of the steering wheel. Have you ever driven a Golf GTI?
To tell you the truth, mate, I've been actually looking at Golfs the last sort of month.
Oh, really? Well, you don't have to buy one now.
Yes.
And you've just won basically the top spec one, because the TCR edition is so good.
Yes. And I was only looking at a cheapo one, but yeah, I'll take that one.
What made you play for the Golf, Brad?
I've always just liked the V-dubs and that, so yeah, I've always just liked the look of them, and yeah, they're great cars, really, yeah.
And I was going to ask you, first played coming out of Dublin Airport. So were you over there for work?
That was about 3 years ago, yeah. I did a big Katiki tour around Europe and everything, so...
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, congratulations again.
Thank you, sir. I still can't believe it, mate. It's just unbelievable, yeah.
So what time is it out there? I'm trying to have a look at the clock behind you. What time is it?
It's 9:15.
Is that right?
Sorry. 25 to 9.
25 to 9. Amazing. All right, so 25 to 9
yeah.
At night. Okay, so you're nearly in the next day. Well, we wanted to call you as soon as we could today, because we knew that your time zone might be a little bit later. So massive congratulations. You can definitely enjoy your dinner this evening. Maybe have a couple of beers with it as well.
I've already got one right here, mate.
There you go. Amazing, cracked it open already. If you did that in the background whilst I was talking to you, that's pretty skillful. Well done.
Yeah.
Well, Brad, huge congratulations again. Have you got any plans to come over to the UK?
I'd love to, yeah.
Well, when you come over, pop into the office. We've got a champagne bottle with your name on it, so we can crack that open when you come over. So it'd be great to see you. And yeah, congratulations again. We can obviously order the TCR edition for you, and it's such a wicked car, such a wicked car. So well done again.
I can't wait. Thank you very much.
No problem. Cheers, Brad. We'll talk to you soon.
Cool. Thank you.
No worries. Bye. Massive congratulations once again to Brad Dahlberg winning a brand new Volkswagen Golf TCR edition. What a lucky guy. We'll of course be back out again on the road next week, hopefully surprising you. Best of luck.